So if you want to make your iPhone or phone look transparent like these TikTok videos, then be sure to keep on watching. So all you need is your phone and the app Pocket Video or iMovie. So let's get on with the tutorial.
The first thing you need to do is record the background of your choice.
Then the next step is to change your background of your phone to green. So all you need to do is find green screen and then save that colour onto your phone. And then you just add to photo. And then all you need to do is go on to your settings, wallpaper, choose new wallpaper, all photos, and then set as home.
You then record using your other camera or your other phone of the phone.
So the next step is to export those videos that you took on your other phone or your camera onto your iPhone or your phone.
So the next step is to add the two videos simply onto the iMovie thing and add the green screen iPhone on top of it. And then the next step is to go onto the thing and press green screen. That is the most important because that's what gives it the transparent effect. And you had it there, and here are the results.
Thank you guys for staying till the end of the video, and I hope you found the tutorial useful. So give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe down below because that would mean the world to me, because we are only 4 subscribers away from 100 subscribers. So I'll see you guys next week for more content. Toodaloo!